The Singer ProFinish Serger has a variety of stitches that you can do on a serger. So we just did the 3-thread narrow stitch, and we went from a 4-thread to a 3-thread by removing the left needle. So if you want a wide version, what you're going to do is take the right needle out and remove that thread, and then the stitch will actually be a wider finish, but only one needle, so it looks nice and professional. It's actually a great place to use when working with decorative threads. So I wanted a bolder look. A decorative thread is in the upper looper. A regular thread is on the lower looper, but by having the left needle in and not the right needle, I got a wider finish. So depending on what your look is or how heavy your fabric is, depends on whether you use your left needle or your right needle for a 3-thread overlock.